Have you ever wondered how machines that predict the weather, recommend your next favorite song, or even drive cars do what they do? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where deep learning sits at the forefront of technological revolution. Today, we dive into the second edition of Fundamentals of Deep Learning, Designing Next-Generation Machine Intelligence Algorithms. This book is a beacon for those who wish to grasp the mechanisms that enable machines to perform tasks that once required human intelligence. At the heart of deep learning lies the concept of neural networks. Imagine the human brain as a vast network of interconnected cells. Similarly, neural networks are interconnected nodes or neurons, each processing input to generate output. This network learns from vast amounts of data, adjusting its internal parameters to improve accuracy over time. Now, deep learning isn't magic, although it might seem so. It's grounded in mathematics. The authors Nithin Buduma, Nikhil Buduma, and Joe Papa demystify the complex math behind machine learning. They guide you through concepts like gradient descent, backpropagation, and convolutional networks. These aren't just abstract theories, they're the building blocks that help machines learn from data. What sets this book apart is its practical approach. It doesn't just tell you about the algorithms, it shows you how to implement them. With Python as the programming language of choice, readers learn to code models that can analyze sequences of data. Think of predicting stock market trends or natural language processing like generating human-like text. In conclusion, Fundamentals of Deep Learning is more than just a textbook. It's a journey into the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. It breaks down intimidating concepts, provides actionable insights, and serves as an invaluable resource for Python programmers and AI enthusiasts eager to design and deploy their own intelligent systems. If you're intrigued by the possibility of machines that learn, this book might just be your next great read in understanding and crafting the future of AI.